Bitcoin slips again as altcoin season stays out of reach in December. Altcoin season. Bitcoin. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Accumulated fear drives the market on the first day of December. The crypto fear and greed index is currently near 20, having climbed from recent lows of around 10, but still remains in extreme territory. Bitcoin is trading below $86,000 after dropping about 6% in a single session, extending a decline that began after the October high near $125,000. Today's slide links to continued long liquidations, outflows from some spot products, and concern about the rate path and global economic outlook. The tone resembles a market that is reducing exposure rather than preparing for a shift in risk appetite. That backdrop keeps the altcoin season out of reach. Rotation remains thin, capital stays close to the largest venues, and only a handful of tokens show strength against a weak leader. Moves in MYX finance and just offer small signs about where activity still concentrates. But the larger picture is shaped almost entirely by Bitcoin's drawdown and traders' preference for liquidity over experimentation. Bitcoin drives sentiment in extreme fear. Bitcoin is trading around $85,000 to $86,000 after briefly touching lower levels during the session. Derivatives data indicate negative funding and a steady unwinding of leveraged long positions. The retreat is now spread across several weeks, with profit-taking, caution around macroeconomic data releases, and ETF outflows pulling cash away from high-beta trades. Bitcoin price. Source. CoinMarketCap. This is the type of environment where altcoins struggle to find traction. Order books remain deep, yet the dominant flow leans toward selling rallies rather than building new positions. With the fear index still deep in the extreme range, traders avoid complex expressions of risk, which limits any chance of a broad altcoin recovery. MYX Finance holds a green print. MYX Finance is trading near $2.98, up by about 9% in 24 hours after hitting an intraday high above $3.95. Activity remains concentrated around its liquid res-taking and perpetual trading routes, which continue to draw attention during quieter periods for other DeFi venues. The project's ongoing reward mechanics and steady turnover keep it visible, though the scale of today's gain is small compared with prior weeks, just edges higher on steady TRON activity. Just is now trading near $0.043 with a move of about 4% in 24 hours. The token's activity continues to cluster around Tron's lending and stablecoin rails, where on-chain participation has stayed consistent even through recent volatility. The move is modest and does not indicate a trend shift, but it shows that some networks with steady usage can continue to print small gains inside a fearful market. Altcoin season still a long way off. The day's mix of Bitcoin weakness, cautious flows, and a few isolated green names fits a familiar pattern from past fear cycles. When sentiment drops this low, markets tend to favor liquidity, avoid high leverage, and restrict altcoin activity to tokens tied to ongoing usage or yield structures. The absence of wider participation keeps altcoin season out of reach, and today's Bitcoin slide reinforces that gap. For now, the market remains defensive. MYX Finance and just show that selective interest still exists, but these isolated moves sit against a backdrop defined by deep fear readings and a lead asset well below recent highs. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. UAE just approved Ripple stablecoin. Can Arab Wealth send XRP to $1,000? Bitcoin price prediction. Robert Kiyosaki sounds crash alarm. Is the yen unwind the liquidity event BTC needs? Bitcoin price prediction. $6.6 trillion Fed flip expected in December. How high can BTC go? Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? December 1st, 2025. 8 hours ago. By Seed Fatal Pasic. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $5.50 target by year-end 2026 realistic? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Strange new Chinese AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. 2 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 24, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 4 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 4 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 11 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 3 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.